In this video, we'll look at how to operate the automatic climate control system. Remember, for all these functions to work properly, the engine must be running. The control panel is equipped with three large controls: the temperature control dial, the blower speed selection dial, and the mode selection dial. There is an interior temperature sensor here. Never place anything over the sensor, or the system will not function properly. Let's start with the temperature control dial. You can set the desired actual temperature using this dial. The temperature set range is from approximately 61 to 89 degrees. Turn the temperature control dial clockwise for warmer air and counterclockwise for cooler air. In the middle of the dial is the air selection switch. You can choose outside air or recirculate the air that's in the cabin. Choosing recirculated air is useful to prevent unpleasant odors, such as diesel exhaust, from entering the vehicle. This indicator lights up when recirculated air is selected. You may have to switch back to outside air if the windows start to fog. Now, let's check out the blower speed control. Turn the blower speed control to the right to increase the blower speed. Turn it to the left to decrease the blower speed. Turning the control to the off position turns the blower off. Because air can enter the cabin through the open outside recirculation door, a small amount of airflow can be felt even with the blower off. Push the switch in the center of the dial to turn air conditioning on and off. A sound is made whenever you press the switch. When the mode selection dial or blower speed selection dial has been set to the auto position, or when the temperature control dial has been set to the coolest temperature, the air conditioning switch is automatically controlled. Now let's look at the mode selection dial. This dial changes the location and amount of air flowing from the vents, as well as controlling the front and rear defrosters. This is the face position. Air flows only to the panel registers. In this position, air flows to the panel registers and to the floor area. In this position, air flows only to the floor area. Here, air flows to the floor area as well as the windshield and the door windows. In the defrost position, air flows to the windshield and the door windows. When in auto mode, the system controls the airflow discharge location. Push the switch in the center of the dial to defog the rear window. When selected, the light comes on. The defogger and light automatically turn off after 20 minutes. Remember that defroster performance is improved if the inside glass surface is clean. Here are a few suggestions so you can get the most out of your climate control system. For quick defrosting, set the mode dial to the defrost position, set the blower speed to the maximum position, and set the temperature to the highest position. For quick cooling, set the mode dial to the face position, the temperature dial to the lowest temperature setting, and the blower speed to the highest position. For quick heating, place the blower speed dial in the full position. Select the highest temperature setting, select outside air, and place the mode dial in the floor position. Here's how to use auto mode. Set the blower speed dial position to auto. Set the temperature dial to the desired temperature. Set the mode selection dial to the auto position. The vents, recirculation door, blower speed, and AC on and off will be controlled automatically. If the blower control dial is set to auto, the system regulates fan speed automatically depending upon the temperature control dial setting. If not set in the auto position, the mode selection dial can also be used to manually select specific airflow outlets. If the mode selection dial is set to auto, the system directs airflow to the proper outlets depending upon the temperature control dial setting. If not set in the auto position, the blower control dial can be used to manually select blower speed. If both blower control and mode selection dials are set to auto, airflow direction, recirculation door position, blower speed, and air conditioning on and off is controlled automatically.